to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday at 4, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. If you want to see all the goodies that I got from the past couple of days, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, y'all, I got some stuff from Walmart, Bloomingdale'S, Kylie Jenner website, Sephora.com, and Tjmaxx. I'm gonna start off with Walmart because your girl found some good deals. I'm sorry if your Walmart don't carry it, you guys. Just wanted to share because I just wanted to let y'all know that, you know, this is what I found at my Walmart. So you have a Walmart, maybe you can, you know, be on the lookout for anything in the clearance aisle. I got these workout shirts. They were $1, you guys. I got this gray one, and they retail for $5.96. The Athletic Works brand, this brand here. I got a black for $1. I got some medium and small, cause these shirts, I don't know how they fit. Like, I like my shirt, I don't like them to look big at the waistline, so I got medium and small. They had these workout pants on sale for $3. They retail for $9.96. So I got these. I probably wear this with either a solid black shirt or a gray, because I did get some more shirts that were more like tank tops, and they were $1 as well. Now these were regular price. These were $12.96. I got a pair that were a little shorter, and it has like a mesh on the side. And I didn't want the workout pants to go all the way to the ankle, because you know it's getting hot here in Georgia, and I don't know, I just wanted some that was like halfway down my legs. I haven't joined the gym yet. I'm looking to join, but I did get these because workout clothes, besides working out, are really comfortable clothes for me, because I don't really do nothing all the time. So just throwing a pair of workout pants and a nice tank top is like comfortable for me for like an everyday wear. I also got some colors. I got the purple brand. I got this color here, not sure, it's like a neon type color. And then I got this, what is this, like a mint green. So yeah, I got all of that from Walmart, and I just wanted to share, just in case you at Walmart, you may want to check out your clearance section. I'm sure every Walmart has different clearance. It may have the same, not sure. And then moving on to my Sephora, I just wanted to share, I forgot what I purchased from Sephora. Oh, I ended up returning it because it was like a new lipstick or lip something from the Sephora collection. I didn't care for the color, but I was able, because you know, in order to get your birthday gift, you have to purchase something. So I was like, okay, if I don't like it, at least I was able to get my birthday gift. So you guys, I was able to get my hands on a Jo Malone birthday perfume little gift, and it says happy birthday right here on the top. I just thought that was so cute, because I don't own any Jo Malone perfumes, so a lot of times when I smell them, some of them are hit or miss. So I guess I have to go and take my time and smell like a lot of them, so I can see which ones are that works best for me. And it came in this here little box, and this is the scent Peony and Blush Suede. It smells okay. I mean, it's not, I'm not blown away with the smell, but it smells okay. Like I said, this here just opened my eyes to go and look into smelling some more of their different scents, because I'm sure with all the scents that they have, I can find something that's worth purchasing. At least I don't know if it's the full size, but then they have like a travel size type bottle. But if y'all have a favorite Jo Malone scent, leave them down in the comment section, because you know, I can go and write y'all recommendations down, and then I can go inside of Sephora, Bloomingdale'S, or Nordstrom's and go ahead and smell the scents. You want me? Then moving on to my Kylie Cosmetics. I am in love with her lip glosses. I can't speak for anything else but her lip glosses. I'm sure her other things are just as good, but I only purchased her lip glosses. And I did haul some of her glosses that I purchased already. That set, them glosses that I purchased, you can actually buy the full set, which was $125, I think. This here, after she launched that, she came out with a second set. Now this, I did purchase the full set because this full collection of lip glosses was no more than $60, I think. And then I also had a $10 off, because like I said, if you use a different email address, they'll email you a $10 off coupon. I'm not paying full price for nothing if I don't have to, y'all, so don't come for me. Yeah, so this one, I did purchase the full collection, and it came with 5, and it came with the colors, let me show you. It came with the colors My Moon and Stars, and it looks like this. Best part about her lip glosses, y'all, they smell so delicious. Like, they smell like cupcakes. I like lip glosses that have like a smell to them. It's just, I don't know, I just love lip glosses that have a smell. And this one here is Lost Angels, and this here is like a clear type of color. And I love the Dofa applicator that comes along with the lip gloss. Like, it's big enough where you can take one dip and apply it all over your lips. I usually build my lip glosses up because I like my lips to look wet and shiny. The next color is Sleep On. I was gonna say Sleep On It. It's called Sleep On. It's like a pinky slash color, and out of the tube. So this one here, I haven't tried none of these on as of yet, because at the time they came before I was going away, and I just was like, okay, I can do all this when I come back. It came with the clear. Now, I wouldn't have purchased a clear on its own because I'm sure all clears look the same, but since it came with the set, I was like, okay, good. This color here is called Crystal. And then last but not least, I have the color I'm the Catch. This one here is like that goldish type color with shimmers. And I did give my daughter the other one, so that's why I didn't mind getting this. But if I didn't have nobody to give that other gloss to, that would have kind of been almost like the same. So yeah, if y'all haven't checked out these glosses, y'all, I highly recommend her glosses. I wouldn't lie to you. If you like me, that like lip glosses, lipsticks, lip balms, lips, whatever, you would really, really appreciate her lip glosses. That's all I got, because like I said, I haven't tried anything else. I may look into purchasing an eyeshadow palette and her setting spray that she just came out with. I think it was yesterday. Not sure the exact date, but she did come out with some setting sprays. I have to share a really, really special find that I found at Tjmaxx, y'all. Let me tell you, I was in Tjmaxx yesterday. I saw this Kevyn Aucoin highlighter. Guys, when I tell you I don't own anything Kevyn Aucoin, I was like, okay, it was $17.99, and I looked this thing up on Sephora.com. I will leave a insert so y'all can actually see what I'm talking about. The actual retail price. What show did that come from? You know, I watch too much Price is Right. Hey, you guys, the actual retail price for this is $58. I got it for $17.99. Some people that I saw haul this on their channel, I saw that they paid $19.99. Not that $17.99 and $19.99 is a big difference, but to get it for $17.99, I think with tax and everything, I pay no more than, no, I actually paid $19.25 to be exact, because I do remember. I was blown away. I was like, oh my goodness. And I was like, okay, if I don't like it, you know, I could just go ahead and return it. I'm wearing it today. That's what I have here on my cheekbones. I have it here on this side. I have it down the bridge of my nose, and over here on my brow bones and in the corners. Let me try it for the video so y'all can see, because at first when I tried it on without makeup, I really couldn't see it. And I was like, okay, I know it's Kevyn Aucoin. I know the original price was $58, but if it's not going to be useful to me, I'm going to go ahead and return it. After applying it on my face with a full face of makeup, I was like, okay, I'm keeping it. You guys, the packaging. Now, I'm a sucker for packaging, because I was getting ready to say, okay, if it didn't work, I'm going to go ahead and keep it for the packaging. But I was like, no, Tamika, you ain't got money like that to just be wasted. I'm just so happy to say that it looks so nice. Let me know what y'all think. Like, Here it go on this side. I did build it up just a little bit for the sake of the video. You guys, look at the packaging. It's like a velvet. Kind of reminds you of what the Tom Ford makeup is placed in. It's so luxurious, like, oh my gosh. And it has Kevin Aquan right here. And look, you guys, look at the packaging. Look how pretty that is. I heard about Kevin Aquan, but I really never looked into, I'm sure it's a he. I really never looked into his makeup, but then when I went on the Sephora.com website, I saw a lot of different things. Like, okay, I did see lipsticks at Tjmaxx, and I just kind of brushed past it. Now, your girl is going to be on a hunt for some more Kevin Aquan, even though it's almost like $20 per item, but to me it's well worth it. Look at the inside, you guys. Look how pretty that is. It has this full-size mirror at the bottom. It's just so beautiful. And what I did was I took my brush and swept it across the whole highlighter. What is this? Yeah, I swept my brush across like this, and then I applied it on, like I just did shoop, and then applied it onto my cheekbones. This thing here is so beautiful. Okay, so here on the back, I'm gonna just read what it claims to do. It is universal highlighter to create a natural luminous glow. You're supposed to apply it on your cheekbones, which I did, bridge of your nose, which I did, also your cupid's bow, chin after foundation. I didn't apply it on my chin, but I did apply it down the bridge of my nose. This thing here is so beautiful. If you have a Tjmaxx in your area, you may want to go stalk Tjmaxx like I'm about to do, see if they have other things from the Kevin Aquan. I did see another palette like this, another highlighter. That highlighter was tampered with, and you know, at Tjmaxx and Marshalls, you gotta really make sure stuff is not tampered with. And this box here was like in the back, and it was like closed seal, like you could tell nobody touched it. So today I'm more excited to say that I really love this palette. It's so worth it. I think I would have paid $58 for it, but for $17.99 it's a go. I mean, I don't wear a highlighter like that to pay almost $60, but it is a luxury brand, so I mean, you get what you pay for it. To me, the packaging is what sold me. So last but not least, you guys, okay, I need your help with this one. I was in the market for a new bag, particularly a backpack type bag. I was on Bloomingdale's and I came across this Coach bag. Coach used to be like my first love of luxury. It was Coach. Remember DKNY, who was it? Nine West and Dooney and Burke. I saw this on the, where I saw this? On Bloomingdale's, and it was on sale. At the time, like I said, anytime I buy stuff, you guys, I like to save some type of money. This bag retails for $3.95. You know, your girl didn't pay full price. It was on sale on Neiman Marcus for $2.90 something. On Bloomingdale's, it was $207 with additional, no, it was on sale for $207. It was an additional 25% off. But when you purchase something 100 or more on the Bloomingdale's website, they was giving out $25 gift cards. Since this rung up a little over $200 with tax, I ended up accumulating a $50 gift card, which I haven't used yet. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I ended up getting that $50 gift card. The dilemma is I just want to make sure I'm loving it, because y'all know I'm real picky with what I like and what I don't like. And I did dress it up with this little charm that I had on one of my Henry Bendel bags. And I mean, I do like it. I just want to make sure I'm loving it, you know. I mean, it's cute, the inside, because here is the inside of the bag. I will do a what's in my bag, what's in this bag, and how it looks on a body type video separate, because again, I don't want this haul video to be too long. I just wanted to show you guys this bag really quick. It has the zipper on the back, and I did do an unboxing, and I may leave the clip of the unboxing towards the end of the video just so y'all can actually see how it came packaged. And yeah, you guys, that was everything. Like I said, I will be doing a separate video on this bag. Again, down in the comment section, let me know if I should keep the bag. Do you love the bag or what? Even have one, let me know how you liking it. That was it, you guys. That was everything. I'm so glad to be back, because if you didn't know, or if you already know, I just came back off of spring break vacation. My daughter and I, we went on a cruise. We'll be doing a vlog coming up, if the vlog ain't already up by the time I upload this video. Y'all know I pre-film, so I'm not sure when this video is going to go up. If you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, because you know it helps out my channel. If y'all made it to the end of this video, why not subscribe? Punch on that subscribe button, because I know there's a lot of people watching my videos, but y'all not subscribed. Like, why y'all want to subscribe to your girl? It's free. All you gotta do is just click on the subscribe button, you guys, so we can be family. So you know, you can see when your girl uploads, you know, so you can see the next time your girl uploads videos. So until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.